Well, we are shifting focus now. The Delhi police has strongly opposed the release of student activists Umar Khalid, Sharjeel Imam and 3 others booked under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in the 2020 Northeast Delhi riots conspiracy case, arguing before the Supreme Court that the alleged offences involved a deliberate attempt to destabilize the state and therefore warranted jail and not bail. The police contended that the violence that unfolded in February 2020 was not a spontaneous escalation of protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act, but a part of a coordinated regime change operation executed under the guise of civil dissent. Joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Sambhav Sharma. Sambhav, could you take us through the details of these arguments that the Delhi police actually put forth in the Supreme Court?
Well, Delhi police tells the Supreme Court through an affidavit filed in this 2020 Delhi riots case where 389 pages affidavit, detailed affidavit has been filed by the Delhi police in this Delhi riots case in the top court of the country when the matter is going on in the Supreme Court, because earlier on Monday when matter came before two-judge bench of the Supreme Court has given no further time for the Delhi police and asked them to file a affidavit. Now they have come up with an affidavit and there are strong revelations in this particular affidavit filed by the Delhi police in the Supreme Court. If I go, we have the copy of that this particular affidavit here. The Delhi police has claimed that this particular incident 2020 Delhi riots case it was not spontaneous in nature but a regime change operation. This is what is said said in the affidavit, and affidavit also alleges that accused like Umar Khalid and others engineered a nationwide conspiracy to incite communal riots and aimed at destabilizing the government. Also, Delhi police claimed that the conspiracy was timed to coincide with the then United States President's India visit to attract international media attention. So these are the very important pointers of this particular affidavit by the Delhi police in the Supreme Court. And also it asserts that this anti-CA protest was used as a facade to radicalize the people and trigger violence across Delhi and other states. And also many evidences were cited from chats, witness statements and other technical data were cited, including 753 FIRs in Delhi alone. Delhi police has also contended in this 389-page detailed affidavit in the Supreme Court that a delay in the trial proceedings is largely due to the accused, because this was the major argument made by accused lawyers, not just in the Kalkaduma court, that is the lower court in Delhi where the matter was going on, but also when they approached Delhi High Court for getting the bail. The particular argument was trial is taking too long, way long, and also the courts have questioned on this, that why trial is taking too long. So here the Delhi police has said in the affidavit in the Supreme Court that the trial is taking, is getting delayed because of the largely due to the accused and not because of the prosecution. And also certain sections of UAPA levied against these particular accused was also talked about in this particular affidavit. Now this is an affidavit which was filed in the Supreme Court just a day before the hearing, because tomorrow the Supreme Court two-judge bench of Justice Arvind Kumar and Justice N.V. Anjaria is going to hear this matter again, because in the last hearing on Monday this week itself, the Supreme Court has asked, in a way hinted, rather asked ASG Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who appeared for Delhi police in the Supreme Court, said that see if you can think about giving bail, considering bail to these accused in the Delhi riots case. And here Delhi police strongly opposed bail to these accused in this particular case. Now the matter is again on for hearing on 31st of October. It is to be seen what the Supreme Court says next, because 389 pages detailed affidavit has been filed by the Delhi police, saying that the bail must not be granted to these accused. It is to be seen what the accused lawyer is to say in the Supreme Court when the matter comes next in the Supreme Court for hearing.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Samba, for all those